How to apply for an associate degree.
Chaffey College congratulates you on your progress. We recommend that you complete a grad check with a counselor prior to applying for graduation to ensure that all requirements have been met. Counseling appointments can be made in the Student Hub on Canvas. Visit us at www.chaffey.edu. In the upper right-hand corner, click on My Chaffey. You are now on the My Chaffey sign-in page. Enter your username and password. When you are ready, click Login to take you to the My Chaffey homepage. Under Favorites or Launchpad, click on My Chaffey View. Select the blue student square at the top of the page under Logout. You are now on the My Chaffey View homepage. Under Academic Planning, select Degree Application to apply for AA, AS, and ADT degrees. On the Degree Application page under Eligible Programs, select the degree being earned if listed. If the degree being earned is not listed or is incorrect, choose the degree being earned from the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, choose the associate degree you will be earning at the end of the semester. If earning an associate degree for transfer or a university studies degree, make sure to specify which general education pattern you are following, the CSU or IGETC. Please note, if earning more than one degree, you will need to apply separately for each degree. If you are unsure which general education pattern to select, or would like to see if you have met the requirements for a second degree, make an appointment for a grad check with a counselor today.
Once you are done, make sure to click the Submit button at the bottom of the page above Change Password.
You are now on the Degree Application for Graduation page. Select your anticipated graduation term from the drop-down menu at the top. In the following two drop-down menus, indicate whether or not you would like your name printed in the commencement booklet and whether or not you plan to participate in the spring commencement ceremony. Under Diploma Mailing Address, confirm that the diploma mailing address on file is correct. If not, please change it with Admissions and Records. If using coursework from another accredited college to meet graduation requirements, ensure that official transcripts are on file with the Admissions and Records Department. Check the box at the bottom of the page to confirm that the information you have entered is correct. Congratulations! You are now ready to submit your graduation application.
At the bottom of the page, click Submit above Change Password.
Select Students menu from the bottom or the top of the page to check your graduation application status. You are now on the Students menu homepage. Under Academic Planning, select Degree Certificate Application Status. Your application status will go from Submitted to Pending to Complete to Awarded. If your application is denied, you will receive communication regarding missing requirements. Please make an appointment with a counselor if you have questions. Degrees are mailed to your home approximately 3 months after the semester ends. Once again, Chaffey College congratulates you on your accomplishment.
Thanks for watching. You can access additional tutorial videos through the online toolkit on the Chaffey homepage.